I'ma head out then.
Big moves, I'm that dude. Bet I see you from the top, yeah, real soon. Looking down on the haters that I've been through. Told them I'll see you.
Yeah, we'll get there. How would they drive?
Yeah, it was good. Yes, sir. Little comfortable drive.
Yeah.
Justified.
Bitch, baby, that motherfucker. Trick. I'm back there lying. See what's going on.
Tell them what you're running here, man.
I'm running 8 G2 Genesis 18s. Got all McLaren mids and highs, and well, I got 8 G2 Genesis also mids, but the rest is all McLaren.
Yes, sir. Where can I find you at?
Huh?
Where can I find you at on social media?
Oh, Chevy Black on everything. Just look up Chevy Black. You gonna see me everywhere.
Y'all be sure to follow. Y'all men from Pennywise, right? Pennywise, right? You had Pennywise?
Yeah, I did have Pennywise.
Yes, sir. This is a new one. This is a new one, guys. Y'all gotta check it out. He better knock the doors out for us, so y'all better get them over for a break, man.
Yes, sir.
Appreciate it, bro.
All right, anytime,
yes, sir,
bro.
man. Where you gonna be on?
I got you.
Yes, sir.
And you can get out through the
outside. Where you said that? Yes, sir. still rolling?
Yeah, it's still
Subscribe
rolling.
to this man's YouTube page, all right? You hear me? Ryan Show, appreciate it, man. Tell him.
And you got the right equipment that gonna tune me right.
Be sure to check out CarAudioConnect.com and shop BASSWITHKEV.com for top car audio brands. I appreciate your support.